My name is Tari, and for well over 2 years now, I have worked very hard here online trying to make money, and that is without any success. Though everyone kept telling me that making money online is quite easy and everything, well, for me, I have spent well over 23 months, and I have still not made a penny to my name. That have changed when I got introduced to this program called NFS. I have made my first $140 within 72 hours after joining this program called NFS. And though honestly you could not say, well, it's not a lot of money, but to me, I was more than thrilled to get the 3 deposit into my account. And now in the second month after getting everything up and running properly, I have made somewhere between $1,280 while still going through the comprehensive training and the mentorship of creating my own long-term business here online. Well, to be honest with you, this Netpreneur franchise system is the real deal. It also comes with professionally packaged products, complete with all of the funnels and also the marketing materials that you guys will necessarily need to push your business forward. They even also have another option, which is awesome as well, where they can pretty much do everything for you guys without you actually have to lift a finger. So just in case you need that, you can explore that as well. And I thought that was pretty cool because not every platform around giving you that kind of solution. But that's not even the awesomeness when it comes to NFS. A part of the Ready to Go money markers, NFS also comes with a comprehensive training program that helped me to master the internet money game going forward. And I'm more than excited right now, to be honest with you. I have finally got the opportunity to achieve my financial freedom here online. And Dr. Ope is the real deal. He's even throwing our free one-to-one live coaching strategy to help me to get my game together and clarify exactly what I want to do in the long term and how I can go about doing that. And I'm really happy to be a part of the Netpreneur franchise system. And I highly recommend it to anyone out there who is chasing or tired of chasing after the shadow here online.